Before we begin our Counting Coins booklet today, I wanted to go over the coins that we will be working with. So the first coin will be our penny, and that's the President Lincoln penny. And on the back of your penny, I'm not sure if you have a penny that has this on it, which is newer pennies, and that is a shield on the back of it, or if you have the one that has the Lincoln Memorial, which is what is in this workbook. And then the dime, we know, the penny is worth 1 cent. The dime is worth 10, and that is President Roosevelt. I shared a video with you today that that talks about that. And then on the back of the dime, that is the torch from the Statue of Liberty, and a dime, again, is worth 10 cents. Then we have, today we'll be working in our booklet with nickels. And on our nickel is President Jefferson. And on the back of the nickel is a place called Monticello, and it is worth 5 cents. Now, some nickels will have the full face of President Jefferson on it, but the other nickels, let's see if you can see this one. Yeah, you can see that pretty good. If you see his face, it's his profile. He's only facing the side, and that's what you have in this booklet, is the older nickel where President Jefferson is looking that way. All right, so let's go ahead and begin. At the top of the page, I've already written my name, and this is the page 2 of the booklet. I've already written my name, and you can go ahead and do that. And then once you get done writing your name, you're going to write the date. So if you need to pause this video to give yourself more time, that's fine. So the date for today, it's March, and March is the 3rd month, so we can write a 3, put our little dash in to give some space. And then today is the 19th of March, and we write that by using the number 19. And then the year, of course, is 2020. So 20, 20, that's 2 20s next to each other, or 2020, 2020. So one thing I've done to help me not get confused about colors today like I did yesterday is under pennies where it has the color word brown, I just went ahead and colored it in with my brown crayon to help me remember. And then the nickels, gray. Okay, so I put the word gray there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. There is a Monticello on the back of that one, and there is President Jefferson. And so I'm going to keep going. I'm going to start off with my nickels right here. Okay. Those are new. I'm looking up here. It's also right here if you want to color those. And then I'm going to keep going here. Now it's kind of nice because Jefferson is facing this way and Lincoln faces that way. Monticello, Jefferson, Monticello, Jefferson. Here's Jefferson. And then the rest, I'm going to color brown. Of course, these are all Lincoln, President Lincoln, President Lincoln, Lincoln Memorial, Lincoln, Lincoln Memorial, Lincoln, Lincoln, and Lincoln. Okay, so I'm going to go back and count 1, 2, 3. Count pennies first, because the first question is how many pennies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So maybe it'll be easier if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I want to make sure I didn't miss any, so I'm going to write my 9 right there. Go back and count the nickels. Oh, see, I missed one. There we go. So 9 plus 1, I can use my mental math, but 9 plus 1, or count again, is actually 10. So there's 10 pennies. All right. Then I'm going to go back and mark my nickels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11 nickels. All right. So today I'm going to let you complete the rest of this work page by yourself. Remember to go ahead and color and then count, write the number of pennies, color. This one you're going to color pennies and dimes, and then the dimes you're going to color and then count. And on the bottom activity, you're going to this time color the nickels gray in this box and color the dimes orange. Go back and count your gray nickels and write the number. Go back and count your orange dimes and write the number. And we'll catch up in the next video, and we'll see the completed work.